Welcome back to Habitat Academy. As a member of the elite dream team, Matthew Waybright had the privilege of helping bring this home to life. Coincidentally, his mother, Alicia Waybright, lived on the lot previously. The family connections don't stop there. Matthew's sister owns Way Too Bright Cleaning Company, and they offered to do a free cleaning of the house prior to the big reveal.
It makes me feel really good to help someone who really needs a house, and for us as the group of the dream team to build it for her and actually see her and see how happy she is when it's finished and done. It's pretty cool.
With the schools closed for the remainder of the year, some of the students, along with Bryan Russ, check in via video conference to share their final thoughts as the project comes to a close.
One of the most valuable things that I learned from this experience is how important our job is and how much what we're learning is affecting people.
Before I got into construction, I was pretty shy. I wasn't really a talkative person, like to a group of people, older or younger, in any type of way. Like this group call right here is just like nothing to me now.
What I would give to next year's dream team, I think I would tell them to, respect the teacher, listen to them, listen to your teammates, listen to what they have to say. If they have any tips, listen to them, see if it works for you. Just be a good listener, good team member.
Take advantage of every opportunity they have and to try to pick up as much as you can when working with others, with the teacher, with the fellow student.
It was an honor, helping to make this house for you. I would do it again because it was really fun to work with my teammates.
To know that someone's going to live there thanks to us, and I can go back in like 10, 15 years and be able to see that house still standing there, it'll feel good.
I want the homeowner to know that these kids didn't just give her a home, help her build a home along with other people. She gave them something by having a Habitat house. She gave them an opportunity to grow and flourish and be something productive in the society after they graduate.
It's been quite a journey to get here, but it's now time for the big reveal. Lauren finally gets to see her newly completed home.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, move them out!
That's awesome! I love it! Woo! That is beautiful, beautiful. Oh, wonderful. Love it. Beautiful. Wow. It's amazing.
On behalf of everybody in Leesburg, welcome to your new home.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. This is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Gorgeous. I love it.
To me, this what makes this house.
It really does. I love it. We'll be out here often. If I could say something to the Habitat students at Leesburg Academy, I would just want to thank them so much. They've done such a wonderful job. They've really just done an amazing job on the house.
Keep on learning, do the best you possibly can, because it's going to matter when you get to a real job site.
I couldn't be more proud of the students who came out and worked on this project.
It was a pleasure to work with them because they wanted to do good work, and they wanted to work hard, and they wanted to look back at their project and be pleased with the work that they did.
I hope there's a swagger in them. I hope they feel honored and privileged to be a part of the dream team.
You guys have completely shocked me. You guys are great. You're in the perfect field. You're doing awesome.
And that's a wrap. Join us for Season 2 of Habitat Academy, where we'll follow a brand new dream team of students as they work to build a home for yet another well-deserving family. We've built something great this season. We'll see you in the fall for Season 2 of Habitat Academy.
Something you don't want to put in there. It'd be a bad idea to put certain things in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, constellation pants, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah! That's swagger? That's the swagger right there. Wait,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
a little orchestra. You tell me, no, Mr. Russ, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm the video person. You can do that to me.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay? No, we know. It's her. Okay.
He's used to me. He does this with me a lot.
This is a historic neighborhood, so Habitat went and got new.
We'll finish later.
Okay.
They're out there working on the. Quiet on the set.
Mike should have gave him some pneumatic guns. Yeah, right. Doom, 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 doom. Thank you for helping and supporting Habitat Academy.
Yep, no problem. Thank you. Oh,
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Awesome.
Oh, you know what?
He's not mic'd up.
Yeah, you gotta mic me up.
He talks loud.
Yeah, I talk loud enough. Can't hear him, but I gotta have a mic on.
Have I ever run across a cooler group of them? That's a good question. No, is the answer. Am I doing good? Is that right?
Come on, man. Tell me when to stop.
Go ahead.
Man, okay, I am. You couldn't have done that for half a second. Quit. I don't want to give you a chance to prove it. I hope some of this stuff I'm like, you need to erase it.
Oh, yeah.
Production support for Habitat Academy is provided by RoMac Building Supply, Habitat for Humanity of Lake and Sumter County, UF Health Leesburg, the City of Leesburg, and is a production of Red Apples Media.